Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another review. Basically a post unboxing of the Gigabyte B450 Gaming X motherboard. So here you can see that this is an AM4 socket based motherboard and meant for AMD Ryzen, or could go with AMD Athlon, and it's AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. It's got RGB Fusion 2.0 and it's got SmartFan 5. Well, basically this is a next gen motherboard meant for amazing gaming experience, and we can see that this motherboard has been imported by Ingram Micro India Private Limited, that's in Mumbai, and the model is 450 Gaming X, and the month and year of import is August 2020. I've recently got it from Amazon during the Prime sale period, and the printed MRP on this motherboard is 12,400, and we've got this under something around 10,000 or 9,800. I don't remember the exact price because my brother had ordered it online from Amazon.in, and so the country of origin is China. Well guys, you must be knowing that Gigabyte is a Taiwan based company, but their products are manufactured in China. So let's get into the specifications of B450 Gaming X motherboard by Gigabyte. The CPU support you can see is AMD Ryzen or Athlon series processors. CPU socket is socket AM4. Chipset is AMD B450 chipset. Graphics interface is one PCIe 3.0x16. Display interface is HDMI and DVI-D. Memory type is dual channel DDR4. Memory DIMMS is 4 DIMMS. Expansion slots, one PCIe 2.0x4 plus 2 into PCIe 2.0 into 1. Okay, and SATA or M.2 6 SATA 3 and 1 M.2 for SSD. Okay, and SATA RAID is RAID 01 and 10. USB, it's got 6 3.1 Gen 1 USB plus 6 USB 2.0. Amazing. And audio, we get 8-channel HD audio, and that is amazing. And LAN is Gigabyte Gaming LAN. Form factor is ATX 305 in 235. So actual support may vary by CPU. However, this is an amazing gaming motherboard and has been purchased after a lot of research done online by my brother basically. So we've got this motherboard after awaiting for quite some time. He's been waiting to build an amazing gaming PC. So if you have looked into my previous videos, you will find that we had ordered Ryzen 7 2700. So this goes amazing with this motherboard. So here is a memo from Amazon. You can see it's from Amazon. Yes, that's what you see here from Amazon. Okay, yeah, the price here says 9,579. yes, that's the price we've paid. And let's get into the motherboard now. Wow, this looks amazing. Taking this out now. Here we see a couple of things packed on to this box along with this motherboard. We get a motherboard CD, we get a cable connector, this is an IO shield, and this is a user manual for this motherboard. So well guys, you can see this is an amazing motherboard, and the base color is black. The motherboard is packed. I won't be opening it at the moment. we'll only be opening it while we assemble this onto the PC. However, you can see it's taped right now, but I won't be attempting to open it. However, you should be able to see this through this plastic. It says Gigabyte Gaming. I mean, just look at this beauty. It says DDR4 here, and here are the basic components of this motherboard. We'll be placing the processor right here. These are for the RAMs. This is amazing. So okay guys, see you again with another video. We'll be ordering a couple more things for building up our gaming PC. So as soon as we get some more of our orders delivered, we'll get back with a new video. Till then, bye, stay connected, subscribe, like and comment for more such videos in the future. Take care guys.